In this video, I'm going to walk you through the anatomy of this particular setup, okay, and also talk about this particular entry as well, okay. And in this video, I'm going to give you that rare inside view of what we do within the VIP community. And this, what I'm going to walk you through in this video, is exactly how I make $100,000 every single week. And I post all of my trades on the YouTube community as well as on my Twitter profile. Now, I do these trades in front of my VIP community. I post my setups in advance, the targets in advance, and so they know exactly when I'm getting in and where my targets are. And so they see the evolution of all of my trades. So I generate this income live in front of the VIP community, okay? Now, I'm just going to walk you through the overall setup, and then I'm going to talk to you about how this particular trade evolved and what was given to VIP and how we traded this, including some of the trades that were done by VIP, okay? So this is pretty straightforward. It all starts with the overall weekly analysis, okay? So before the market opens on that Monday morning, I will post a weekly analysis for my VIP members and sometimes also to my YouTube channel. So here I've said I'm looking for price movement up to 29.10. Now on the day, this was right at the open of Asia. I've also told them when I've taken my long position. This is in alignment with the weekly analysis video. And I've also given them a chart, and you can see this is looking for price movement up to this zone. And essentially what I've said in the video that is posted to VIP is I'm looking for price movement up to 2910. And I'm going to show you the video as well. So here is the video. I'm going to be playing this back so you can hear exactly what VIP were given, because VIP are given this information, all this analysis and the setups in advance, okay? Because I want them to engage with price on their demo or paper trading account to enhance their learning experience. So let me play part of this video so you can see that all of this was provided to VIP in advance. And notice where we are. This is the close of Friday. So the market hasn't opened yet, and I've provided them with the assessment. Here we go. I'm going to press play. So we have a pullback that I'm expecting, okay? And I'm going to get rid of this. I don't think that'll be the level. We've got to watch this level, okay? This is the first level. From wherever we open, we will take a long up to this level and a runner up to this level. Okay, they're the two levels that I want you to look for as a target for Monday longs. Okay, I'm expecting a pullback. So you can see that before the market's even opened, this video, which is a weekly analysis video for VIP, has been made available to them. Okay, and I've told them exactly where I'm expecting this market to go. And if I show you where we are right now, that's the zone that was provided to them. Okay, this is all done before the market's even opened, folks, right? So look at the video. This is Friday's close. The market hasn't even opened when I've posted this video for the VIP community. And we are exactly where I'm expecting this market to go, okay? And that's no small move, okay? If we measure, right, this is the 8 p.m. open of the Asian market too, that 2910 level, that's over 200 pips, right? I want you to listen to the message I gave to my community at the start of the week. I'm going to go back to my weekly analysis video, and I want you to listen to this very closely. So I'm going to play the video from where we left off. Okay, so there's plenty of range there. Take 200 pips and close your day, right? So up to that first level is more than 200 pips. Up to the second level is 300 pips. Take 200 pips and walk away. Okay, right, so take 200 pips and close your day. Tell me of any other group out there, any other mentor out there that can guide their students to that kind of a result. We're doing this every single week, every single day, every single session, okay? And what do you see here, right? 200 pips. And everyone in VIP that engaged with price was able to lock in some amount of pips. Not everyone's going to be patient enough to hold to the level I've provided, right? Everyone is at a different level in terms of where they are in their experience and their learning, right, inside the program. So let's take a look at that particular day. And let me see, where are we? So here you can see one of the students has locked in 55 pips, okay? And someone else has locked in 80 pips, right? Now, here's another student locked in close to, I think it's about 60 pips, right, from entry to exit, okay? Here's another student, I'm not sure how long, let's say that's about, where did he enter? Let's see, from 86 to 96, so 100 pips, right? So you can see that just on that single day, students are able to take what I'm teaching them with the guidance and the directional bias and engage with price. And that's what it's about, right? 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 pips every single day, right? That's exactly what I've been telling you in all my videos, that students are learning what I teach and are applying what I teach and are able to secure 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 pips every single day. That's the value within this community. So not only are they engaging with price and applying what they learn, but they are building a skill set that they can use forever. Now, VIP is also part of building your knowledge base. Okay, so there's a lot of lessons. I'm going to actually open up the classroom section and show you the different modules that are made available to VIP. And these modules continue to grow. I add more and more. Okay, so here's all the different modules that I have available to the VIP, right? And if you look at some of my previous videos, you can see from that I've added more. There's more modules. I add them all the time. Okay, this is a very important module, the reversal signatures. Okay, if I just go into one of these, you can see there are tons and tons of lessons, and these are all based on live trade executions within the community, right? They are recent examples, not examples from months or weeks or years ago. So this one, for example, is just from trading just this week, right? And it's all about how to set targets, how to take profits and how to set targets. Okay, so I'm continuously adding to the knowledge base, right? So as we progress throughout the weeks and the months, then I provide more lessons, right? Lessons on how we can use fair value gaps to our advantage, how we can set targets, projections, okay? So that was simply Monday. Now let's look at Tuesday, right? 18th of February, the day's open, and I've given the guidance. I give my members inside of VIP the daily buys every single day to guide them on what they should be looking for. So here, we've just opened, okay, this is now Tuesday, we're down here, okay, and I have said we're still looking for 2910 because that is the original target, right? And we still haven't got 2910, which is up here, okay? We've got that now, but this morning in Asia, we were down low, okay? We did not meet the objective at that point in time. So I've reminded them that yes, 2910 is still what we are looking at. Okay, now I've given them further guidance to look for the setups, right? So here we've got a nice 45-minute dump, okay, into a key discount PDRA, this fair value gap, from where we can take longs, right? Continuation longs, okay, which is what most of the students did. Re-engaged with price and held up to the target of 2910. So let's have a look at what some of those trades have been for today. Okay, so let's go. So this student has taken his position off at 2910. Okay, here's where I've said 45-minute stub. Okay, right. So we've got students taking trades. Okay, 45-minute dump up to 2910. Right. More lessons being made available as the day progresses, just to give them more information on how they can set new targets based on new information, and a lesson on how we can also add to existing positions, because I added, right? So if I open up this lesson, this is the type of information that's made available to VIP, right? So I've added here in my position, which is this second position that I've also posted, where we've dropped down to a key discount PDRA, and for this position, it's a smaller size just to manage my risk and exposure, and setting the target up to session high, which on this day, right, today, this was entered yesterday, today this has become previous daily high. So clear draw on liquidity. Okay, so those types of lessons are made available to VIP, right? Lots and lots of information for them to understand how they can add to their positions. As I'm doing things, I'm also providing lessons for VIP, okay? So that they are current lessons based on real executions, not things that I may have done weeks ago or months ago or years ago, okay? And here I've told my VIP community that I have closed the added position that I opened yesterday, right? So I make them aware of everything that I'm doing, right? So they can also learn, okay? And now, as I said, I've closed all my positions at 2910, which was my weekly objective. Okay, and that's where this profit came from. That's the original trade back from Monday, right? From the start of the week. Okay, and students have also followed along and done the same, right? So students are still trading along. Here's 160 pips. How incredible is that? 160 pips locked in. Is there any other mentor or group that provides this kind of success, this kind of outcome, right? These students have been learning and following along with me and are able to now apply what they learn and capitalize on that knowledge. That's what VIP is all about, okay? So this was just a short video just to give you some insight into how I teach my students and what kind of information is made available to students in advance, right? It all starts with a weekly analysis video, okay, that tells students what I'm expecting for that week, okay? And then I'll provide guidance on the day, right? Look for 2910, and I'll give them charts and things so they know what to look for. And then along as the day evolves, I'm providing more and more guidance, okay, in different setups and different sessions. This is what we do. This is only Tuesday. Well, we've got the rest of the week to go. I've already locked in over $20,000. This is how I make over $100,000 every single week, and I do it live in front of my VIP. They can see it. They watch me live doing it, right? I post my setups in advance. I post a weekly analysis video in advance. I let them know where the market's headed. They see when I enter. They see when I exit. They watch me do it. Okay, and I create that income in front of them. They see it every day. They see it every session. They see it every week. $100,000. Okay, and that's how we're doing it. And this is how I'm teaching those who are with me inside of VIP. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a bit of insight in how I'm teaching students, what information is made available to students. Okay, including all the different knowledge modules that are made. There's videos in here. Okay, so for example, if I jump into, let's have a look. Let's look at this time distortion one. Okay, there's videos in here. Each one of these has videos and notes and examples from real world trades as well. Okay, so just a reminder that the premise of this current trade was based on the open of the Asia session on Monday, okay, where I'm expecting the market to reprice higher as per my weekly analysis video posted to VIP, and I'll share that with you here in this video. Then I added some more here as the market pullback, okay, during that manipulation hour in London on Monday. I added more. That's basically this position that I closed off, okay. This is the original position that I brought down here on Monday, okay, and the original position, so that the position I added was closed up here at these session highs, okay, around that 2906. So if you look at the take profit, there it is there, 2906, Okay, that's where that was closed off, right? That's from this level here, purchased from here, and closed up here, session highs on this day. Okay, and the original position that was accumulated here at the open of Asia, I'll talk about the entry in a moment, that was closed off at my level at 2910, right? That's the level that I had forecasted in my weekly analysis video posted to VIP, okay? And also reminded to VIP on today. And a lot of the VIP students also took this trade where we had this beautiful dump, right? That's taken out all this liquidity, okay? And coming into this fair gap, right? And they accumulated positions up to the original objective, right? 2910. So that there was also a fantastic move, right? If we look at that, up to 2910 is 150 pips plus. So someone took 160 pips off that move today. Okay, I've shown you one of those student trades today. So students are learning, students are applying what they learn, and they're capitalizing on the knowledge that they are learning inside of the VIP community. Okay, with my guidance on daily bias and my guidance on setups along the way. Okay, every single day. Now, if you look at this here, basically Asia. Okay, you can see we've had this nice movement up, right? This is inside of Asia on the open, then pull back down into this down candle. Okay, that's the bullish order block. That is the midpoint of that bullish order block down, right, into there. So that is a nice entry at that level, right? And at that level, timing's probably not right for me, so I didn't enter on this trade down there. Okay, another nice move up. This down candle is coming down into these two down candles, bullish order block. That's coming into this bullish order block. Okay, and you can see a small bit of a consolidation there from 7 a.m. So from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. We've had the consolidation, and I've entered on this expansion here at 8 p.m. and we had a nice move up. Okay, and then I'm expecting to hit 2910. Right, it's a bit high actually. Let me mark that correctly. 2910 is a little bit higher than what's on my chart there. There we go. So I'm expecting 2910 from that entry, as per all the information that I've shown you, as per the weekly analysis video that was provided and the daily bias that was provided to VIP students in advance before any of this printed. Okay, so on Monday we don't get that. Okay, on Monday we basically just chop around. Okay, and we drop down again. I see that as manipulation and coming into rebalancing. I've added, right, and that's this position here that I've already shown you, walked you through that. Okay, that's that position there. Okay, and I'm still holding the original position up to 2910, which I exited right there. Okay, and the additional position I just held to this session high, which was basically on this expansion earlier today in Asia. Okay, so that's the anatomy of this particular trade that I have posted in my YouTube community. That is the original trade. Okay, that I just walked you through from that entry all the way up to 2910, right? Okay, and this particular trade here is one which I added on this manipulation up to that level there, okay, which we got earlier today in Asia. Okay, so that's what we do inside of VIP. And I got to ask you this question: if someone came to you and said, invest $500 for the opportunity to make 10 times that, then what would your answer be? Would it be, I don't have $500? Or would you try and work out how you could get $500 to take advantage of that opportunity? Because that opportunity also means a lifetime skill that could allow you to continue profiting from the markets. So the opportunity is still there for you to join the VIP community. Right now, the price is $4.97 per month, and you only have to join for 1 month. There's no commitment. Join for a month, learn the principles, and then apply what you learn and capitalize on that knowledge, right? Just like the students are doing right now. And you've got to join now because I'm going to be raising the price for new members to be $8.97 per month, okay? So you've got to take action. I'm giving you the opportunity. I'm showing you that students are learning and are able to apply those teachings and are capitalizing on the information that they are learning. And I'm showing you how it works, results every day for myself and my students, okay? You need to take action and invest in yourself. That's the only way you can change your circumstance. So I invite you to join the VIP community while the price is $4.97 per month. The price is soon rising to $8.97 per month for new members. And that's because of the value that is provided in the community. You're learning a lifetime skill that has the potential to change your life, okay? And from what I've seen from the students already inside the VIP community, this investment in yourself pays for itself. So I hope that video is useful. I invite you to join the VIP community while it's at this current price of $4.97 per month, before the price increases to $8.97 per month for new members, and I look forward to working with you on the inside.